Hi everyone, it's story time. Today, our story is Thirsty Crow. One hot summer day, a thirsty crow was flying in search of water. It looked everywhere but could not find any. Finally, it saw a pot with a little water at the bottom. The crow tried to reach the water, but its beak could not touch it. It thought for a while and got an idea. The crow picked up small stones one by one and dropped them into the pot. Soon, the water reached the top. The crow happily drank the water and flew away. Moral: God help those who help themselves.